Afnan Tajuddin here from marketupdate.com, your trusted platform for learning indicators and tools. If you're looking for powerful trading resources, visit marketupdate.com and click on indicators and tools to find all of our offerings. We have a number of great indicators, including one of our greatest, which plots demand and supply zones directly on your chart. So be sure to check that out. But today I am excited to introduce a powerful new tool for your TradingView charts. Sector Relative Strength by Afnan Indicator, and it's absolutely free. Welcome to today's video. To add the indicator to your chart, check the video description where you will get the indicator link. Click on it and add it to your favorite list. Or go to Indicators and search Sector Relative Strength Afnan and click on the star to add it to your favorite list. Then click on it and it will be added to your chart. The core idea here is relative strength. Instead of just looking at individual stock, we are comparing entire sector against a benchmark. This show you where the real money is flowing. Sectors above the zero line are outperforming, showing strength, while those below are underperforming, showing weakness. The Sortable table provides a quick ranking of sectors, making it easy to see at a glance which ones are leading and which are lagging. This is incredibly useful for your trading. For example, if you are looking for stocks to go long, you want to focus on the sector that are outperforming the benchmark. Conversely, you want to avoid taking long position in stocks from sector that are underperforming. Now let's quickly look at the settings. First, you can input your benchmark index. Currently, it's set to Nifty 100 for the Indian market, but you can easily change this to something like SPY or S&P 500 in the US market or any other benchmark for your desired country. You can also adjust the relative strength period. For daily time frame, 55 is a good, but you can adjust this as per your requirements. Next, you have table customization option where you can change the position, text size and visibility of table to fit your chart layout. Finally, you have 23 index symbol options. Here you can enable or disable the sector you want to analyze and input the specific index or sector as per your need. By using this indicator, you can quickly see which sectors are attracting the most buying pressure and which one are facing selling pressure. This allows you to align your trade with prevailing market trends. And remember, this indicator is not limited to just the Indian market. You can use it on any global market by selecting the appropriate benchmark and sector indices. This means you can apply the same principle of sector rotation to markets worldwide. The color-coded plot make it easy to visually track the performance of each sector, giving you a clear picture of the market's dynamics. To start using the sector relative strength indicator, click the link in the description below. Add it to your favorites and let me know what you're thinking in the comment section below. If you found this video helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel for more trading tools and learnings. Check the video description for our social media links. Follow us for updates. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.